Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and for today we're going to show you 4 footwork combos that you can use to go along with the music. What we notice about new b-boys, young b-boys nowadays is that they are practicing all their movements and such, but they don't apply it to the rhythm of the music that they're dancing to. So we came up with this video to help you better understand your movements and how to actually put it together in a combo to go along with the music. Dance in essence itself is movement in according to a particular set of rhythm. Therefore, it's good for you to understand your movements and learn how to apply them so that you can actually use it for any rhythm of the music. To help you kickstart your process in creating these combos, here are a few recommendations. I highly recommend that you understand all your basic movements, for example, sweep, hooks, kickouts, etc. Okay? Understand how to actually sharpen them, drill them, and master them, and then put them together in a combo. When you're making these combos, do not overcomplicate things. Just understand that simplicity is at its best. Just keep it short, sweet, simple. Okay? So once you move on and you have your combo, adapt and apply it to the rhythm of the music, see how it goes, tweak if necessary.